Hello everyone, thank you for joining me again. In this video we're going to be going over installing and configuring phpMyAdmin. So first, what is phpMyAdmin? Well, it's easily explained as a graphical interface for interacting with MySQL databases that you can access in your browser. So the way to install it, it is in the official repositories of Ubuntu and should be in all Ubuntu derivatives. So just open up your terminal and type in sudo apt-get install phpMyAdmin. So we're going to set a MySQL admin password. You guys, I have had this package installed already, so you guys may get another prompt asking for a password. I would just use the same one. Just creating a configuration file there. So we're going to now edit the Apache 2 configuration file, and I believe that is just apache2.conf. And it is okay. So sudo nano etc apache2 apache2.conf. And in here, just go to the bottom of the file. And write include etc slash phpMyAdmin slash apache2.conf, and then Control O to save, Control X to exit, and then restart Apache 2. I got the path wrong, I believe. One sec. Is there a PHP? Okay, so let's ls etc phpMyAdmin apache conf. Let's make sure I included the correct file. So in here, at the very bottom, it was etc slash phpMyAdmin slash Apache. I don't think it was Apache 2. I think it was just Apache. Yeah, okay, yeah, it was. Okay, that was the problem. I included the wrong file. So once you include the correct file, restart Apache 2.